Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into an exciting and very useful word, aim. As a B1 level noun, aim means a goal or purpose. This is a word we use often when we talk about what we want to achieve, whether it's in life, work, or even a small task. Let's break it down with some examples. Imagine you're studying for an exam. Your aim could be to pass with flying colors. If you're working on a project, your aim might be to finish on time and impress your boss. It's all about setting a target for yourself. Now, let's talk about synonyms. Words like goal, objective, target, and intention can be used in place of aim. For instance, instead of saying, "My aim is to improve my English," you could say, "My goal is to improve my English." Another example could be, "The objective of the meeting is to discuss the budget." These words can often be swapped, but aim has a nice, concise feel that makes it especially common. On the flip side, let's look at some antonyms. Words like indifference, disinterest, or even negligence show the opposite of having an aim. For example, instead of saying, "She has a clear aim for her career," you might say, "She shows indifference toward her career path," which conveys a lack of focus or direction. In daily life, you might hear aim used in various expressions. A teacher might ask, "What's your aim for the school year?" A coach could motivate their team by saying, "Let's work together to achieve our aim of winning the championship." Even in casual conversations, someone might say, "My aim this weekend is to relax and recharge." Here are a few more sentence examples to make it crystal clear. Her main aim is to finish her degree by next year. The aim of the new policy is to reduce waste. We need to clarify our aims before we start the project. To sum up, aim is a simple but powerful word that helps us express what we're working toward. Whether it's a personal ambition or a shared purpose, having an aim gives us focus and motivation. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoyed learning about this versatile word. If you liked this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and join in on the learning journey. And here's a fun challenge. Create your own sentence using aim and share it in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.